The other thing that I wanted to talk about was a sketchbook challenge that I've started doing myself. One of the problems a lot of us have is I don't have time for art, or how do I get myself to go sit down and draw? I'm not in the mood. There's like just a million things that get in the way. And so much of it is just developing a habit of doing it. So one of the things that I've started doing, I mean, I paint most nights, but one of the things that I've always wanted to do is spend more time in a sketchbook, but I don't have time. Like I have to just go complete a finished painting or drawing. So what I've done instead is I just got a little cheap sketchbook and I'm timing myself 5 minutes to draw, 10 minutes, 15, whatever you have. When I get up in the morning, instead of scrolling through social media while I drink my coffee, I sat actually yesterday, I sat on the floor in front of the dog beds and just drew the dog bed with the toy in it and the plants behind it, just anything in the room, practice sketching. It was really neat because it got my mind starting the day off in thinking about art and thinking about perspective and thinking about shading and shadow. I only spent 5 minutes. You do not, it doesn't take long to start developing a habit of thinking constantly about art, but you have to do it. So instead of, I just traded out social media time, I traded that time out and just sketched a dog bed, sketch anything, a microphone on my desk, the camera, anything, just sketch. And it does not have to be long, but if you can get in the habit and develop that habit of every morning, whatever time, your lunch break, whatever, sit there and sketch for 5 minutes, it will put your mind in a completely different set where you're thinking about art more often. And so when you do go home and you're like, oh, do I want to watch TV or do I want to draw? You're probably going to be in a better mindset to want to draw. So, quick little tip that can help you to develop that art habit.